introduce you the teacher. Good afternoon, everyone. Today we have an amazing guest with us who will be showing us how to make vegetable mandalas, jewelry and rangoli. Welcome, Mrs. Ashwini Ketkar. She has done her MA
Thank you.
Fine Arts in Drawing and Painting from SNDT University, Mumbai, and BFA in Painting and Pottery from MS University, Vadodara. Currently, she is teaching art and craft in Baroda High School, Vadodara, since last years. She has 20 years of teaching experience. She has actively conducting seminars, lectures, demonstration, and workshop in various art and craft making techniques. Welcome, ma'am. Now the platform is yours. You can start.
Thank you. So first of all, good evening, children, and good evening, all of you present
Good
here.
evening.
Today, I'm going to talk with you on creating simple designs and patterns in using unconventional method for preparing vegetable jewelry and rangoli and mandala art I have clubbed together. So it's an innovative way in which I'm going to present the mandala art. So this we are going to use with the material available at your place, right? And that material is vegetable, which is always present in everybody's house, right? Basically in our fridge. So we are going to use it is edible and usable, both the ways, right? And the mandala art and rangoli, which I am going to teach you, is definitely, and the jewelry also is edible and reusable. That mandala art you can use on your dining table also after you finish making it, right? It will be presentable for some of your honorable guests. So let us start. So here I am going to focus on the material that is edible as well as wearable and usable, right? In short, let me explain you about the vegetable jewelry making. So mostly this jewelry started from the uh, Stone Age era, and till today we are using it, this technique. So how I introduced with this jewelry, vegetable jewelry. Let me first tell you. One of my family member in our family group, she posted us some vegetable jewelry models, which I liked very much, and I shared it with my principal presently where I'm working right now. So my principal also liked that idea of jewelry making very much, vegetable jewelry making, and we made our students participate in this competition of jewelry making, vegetable jewelry making, and they had done it in a very innovative and creative manner. We had given them a little introduction session through the YouTube videos because due to some technical issues and everything, we were unable to show them the live demo. But here today I am going to present a live demo to you. But it's a request, children, that let me finish my demonstration because I will have to concentrate while doing the demonstration. So let me finish the live demonstration of jewelry making and mandala art clubbed with rangoli. Right? Rangoli is our tradition, and mandala art is the art which is related to Buddhism and spirituality. In short, I have explained it. In detail, I will keep on talking you when we are doing that, right? I hope it is very clear to all of you. We can have our interaction session after my demonstration is over if you have any doubts.
And children, you can pin the guests so that you can see the things properly. Yeah, if you pin, it
Pardon?
will pin Ashwini Ketkar so that you will be able to see the video properly.
Yeah. So can we start with the demonstration session, ma'am?
Yes.
Fine. Please on the screen share for the participants. Switch on the screen share.
Yes, Chetna, you'll have to do the screen sharing for
Screen sharing
Ashwini.
for the
Not
participants,
Ashwini.
ma'am.
Yes, for
Chetna, ma'am.
Ashwini, you have to do it.
For students.
For students also. Okay, so for
Yeah,
everyone then.
it's for multiple. This thing I shared
Okay,
on.
fine.
This is for multiple.
Okay. Is everyone able to see?
Yes.
Everyone is able to see, ma'am?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So the required materials, these will be the required materials, or in a different way we can use them. So carrot, cucumber, capsicum, beetroot, and potatoes. This is the material we are going to use today for making our jewelry. Bitter gourd and French beans will be added for the necklace making. The material which is used is filler, knives, scissors, wire cutter, toothpicks, earring hooks, eye pin, uh, then wire, the big golden wire. Is it visible to all of you? Yeah. The eye pin is above that stitching thread and under the hook. Yeah, this is the eye pin. So shall we continue forward? Now capsicum bracelet we will begin with. We need to cut the, shall we begin?
Yes.
Hello everyone. This is a capsicum and a knife and a chopping pad I have taken. I am going to cut the end portion of the capsicum and the top portion. So bottom and the top we have to remove aside for making a bracelet. Now inside that seed portion, we have to remove it very much gently by cutting it from both the sides of the hollow capsicum. See, from both the sides. We are cutting it and gently we are removing it. Yeah. Now that hollow bracelet ring is ready. I will show you how to decorate it. So I am using here garlics for decorating this with the help of toothpicks. So first of all, see, one more I have already cut for you. This is the way we can wear that bracelet. We have to use 2 toothpicks and with the help of wire cutter, I am going to chop it away. So pieces of the toothpick I am going to make with the wire cutter. Because we don't need here the full toothpick, we need the small pieces of it. So that is the reason I have chopped the pieces of toothpick. Are they visible to you? Yeah. Okay. Now I will start showing you how to make that with the garlic. So first garlic clove I have taken and a piece of toothpick I am going to insert in that clove and that part of capsicum together. I am inserting it. Yes. Now I will turn it upside down and I will chop away the extra portion which is inside it. Yes. Is it visible? Now the second clove I am going to insert with the help of a toothpick. A small piece I am going to insert in the clove as well as in the capsicum together. We are going to fix them together. Again, the same way, extra part will be chopped off. See that pointed part which is pricking, it should be removed. Similar way, now I will add 2 more garlics to it to make a beautiful bracelet out of vegetable jewelry. Now garlic is also always available with us. Capsicums are there. I'm pricking it. The garlic I'm pricking. Now the last garlic I'm pricking. Is my hand and everything is visible? Now here I'm showing you with the help of a carrot. See, this is a carrot which I'm going to use. I will chop it with a knife. Like this, I will make a slice. Yeah. And that slice I'm going to attach. So in a different way, we can keep on decorating the capsicum as we want. And we can make a beautiful. So I have just shown one bracelet and one more idea I'm just sharing with you that we can do it with the help of a carrot too. So whatever vegetables you like, you may use them. I have chopped off the extra pin so it won't hurt us. Now I am wearing it in my hand. So you will be able to see. Is my hand visible?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this will be the result. Just see. Now we will make an hair accessory. Out of that chopped capsicum, the middle portion we are going to keep aside and the top portion we are going to use, right, which we kept aside. Here we are going to make an hair accessory for a hair bun. Out of the beetroot, I have chopped off the slice. Yeah. Slice has been cut. I have already cut the slices because the time is very less. So I'm just going to quickly assemble. I'm just explaining the kids. So we are going to use 2 slices of beetroot and 1 of carrot. So 3 colors I'm using here: green, red, that is maroon color of beetroot, and the carrot's orange color. We have to prick the toothpick from both the sides. We have to cover it. The lower portion I am again going to fix it with a beetroot slice. Now the toothpick will go through. It is going through. So I'm using this pillar, this plier to fix the toothpick. So our hair accessory for hair bun is ready. Is there any trouble? Somebody is doing something on the screen, multiplication and something is.
Yeah.
Is there anything?
Even I
Any
saw
trouble?
that.
Yes.
Student, don't do that, please.
They are doing some multiplications on the screen. Can we continue?
Yes,
Yes, yes, sure, sure. You can.
Yes.
Yeah. Let us continue. So this is the hair bun accessory. I will show you by fixing it in the hair bun which I have created here. Yeah. This is that hair bun in which I am putting the hair accessory. So this is the way we can cover our bun, hair bun. So this is one idea. You may prick some other corns and other things also surrounding it, right? With your own ideas. Now see the result. This is the way the hairbun will look. Now the next, I will show you how to make the necklace jewelry. Now here we are going to use, see, I have already made a small flower out of it. This, with the help of these two small flowers, I am going to make a earrings, which will be visible to you. Now, first of all, I am teaching you how to make the pendant by showing the same type of cutting method. Just see, we have to cut off the triangles. So we will get a star-like shape. We are cutting it. We are cutting it. One more time. And we get a flower-like shape. See, beetroot flower. Now I will show you how to assemble it on a potato slice. See, the potato, we have to cut a slice out of it. We have to peel it and then we are going to cut a slice of it. So on that slice, I will show you how to attach the beetroot flower. So it will give a beautiful effect. And the third one is the carrot I am fixing on it. So it will indicate the middle portion of the flower as well as it will beautify the pendant. So we can create this type of pendant with a piece of toothpick I am pricking inside. The pendant is ready. Now I will take a wire to create a loop on the top of that pendant. Just observe, it's a very thin wire which I am going to use to prick on the top portion of that pendant. It's a very thin wire. I don't know it is visible. Is it visible? Wire is visible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. See, I am going to prick the hole with the help of a toothpick. And one wire will be passed through it. I'm going to pass the wire through it. Are you able to see that wire and my hands? Now I will fix it with a plier. See, I'm fixing it with the help of plier. An extra wire I'm going to cut off with the wire cutter. See, I'm fixing it right now. Once it is done, the extra wire I will remove with the help of a wire cutter. I think sometimes my hands are not visible, right? The pendant is ready. Now we will take another golden wire and we will pass through that pendant loop which we created right now, this way. So we can make a necklace. Wire is passed through that loop of the pendant. Now we are going to use the French beans I have already chopped the French beans into small pieces, but one demo I will show you. So you will understand how to chop it. See, I'm chopping it into small pieces so they can be converted to the French beans beads. We have made the beads out of the French beans, and we will pass those French beans beads through the wire from both the sides. See, already I have cut of the required quantity. Most of the vegetables I have kept ready, but I will show the small demo to the children so they can understand how to chop it. Yeah, because we have very less time, and for chopping those vegetable and all, we need at least 2 hours. See, this is the way from both the sides I'm inserting the beans. They are French beans. Now my chopping portion is over, so I'm keeping it on the tray in front of me. Now I'm going to insert some corns. Can you see those corns? Yes. So that corns I'm going to insert. The big corn is already peeled off. I'm inserting those corns on both the sides. One side I've done, now the second one. Now I'm going to use these beans. This is called tur. So we get fresh tours in Gujarat. So we are using them.
Ashwini, the video got hung, I think.
It's maybe internet issue.
Yeah, she has some internet issue. She is also not seeing.
Yeah. And after 9 minutes, no, we have to join again. It's
Okay,
showing
yes,
9
yes,
minutes.
yes.
Yeah.
Huh.
So students, are you enjoying? Did you like it? Easy and good, na? We can make it. Simple techniques. We
Okay,
can
ma'am.
wait. Still mandala is pending, so we have to wait.
Yeah.
Maybe ma'am is facing any internet issue. She'll join.
And if the link, I mean, if the timing gets over, rejoin the same link.
Yeah, it shows 7 minutes for me. Please
Yeah.
rejoin. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. I'll just ring her up and ask her what's the issue. No?
Is any idea coming? Is there anything coming in your mind, popping up any idea? Because now Navratra is nearby. Planning something to do?
She's
Girls?
trying to rejoin. There is some network issue.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, second after. This is like a afternoon class.
Second art class. Yes.
Like we were wishing for afternoon classes since the start of the year, and we got one.
So you're like enjoying like hobby class.
No, no.
You see that?
They are requesting me to take the class after school, and we have
Huh.
Yeah,
meetings that
ma'am.
time. Like regularly, we have meetings that time. So they were like, "Please, ma'am, take session after the school and at least 1 hour session, at least 1 hour session," and it was not happening only. So good, they
So,
got.
yeah. So this is a good
Ma'am,
thing. Yes.
Yes.
I have a very I just have this question. So see, this jewelry is made up of food and all. So then won't like insects and everything come or something?
Hello.
Yes. Hello, Ashwini. Yes.
So I'm rejoining. Sorry for the
Yes.
interruption.
No, no, no
No, no
problem.
problem. No problem. That girl can
Shall we
ask
start?
same question again to the ma'am. Huh? Let this demo get
Yes.
over and then you ask.
Yeah.
Yeah. I will have the interaction session with the children, so don't worry. Whatever doubts they are having, I'm going to clear it.
Her question is very interesting. So she'll ask after that.
Yeah. Now I'm going to take the bitter gourd. I've already made the slices of bitter gourd, which I'm going to assemble in this. You see, the bowl full of bitter gourd are kept ready. So I'm going to, I will show you from the top portion also we can prick and we can insert it. But here I am not going to put this way inside this necklace because my design is such. This way also you can invert. I'm just showing. I'm not going to do that, but I'm just showing you better. Yeah. Now see, I will select some proper size and I will show you. Can you see bitter gourds? I have kept my hands only visible now. I have kept the focus of the camera on hands. So it will be visible to all the children instead of my face. For the demo, I think my hands are more important than my face. That this is the I completed quickly. Now cut off the wires, extra wires. I'm going to remove. Now I will show you how to make the hook and the loop of the end of the wire. You have to turn and you have to make a hook. This is the jewelry making wire, which is very easily you can turn it with hands too. It's very easy to make. Now with the help of this plier, I'm going to make and turning the plier, making loop in which this hook will be attached. I think Asana is interested in get the. Can you see the hook loop?
Yes, yes.
Necklace is ready. The pull that I have kept here. See the earrings also are kept. Can I show you the live demo of earring one more time? I've already kept, but I will show you the demo of the earrings also. So carrot, potato, and beetroot. Three things. So one that I already made ready, but one I have kept for making live for the children. So the potato slice I have taken, carrot slice, and the flower of the beetroot. as we did. In same way, we are going to cut it for the earring. So again, I'm not showing it now. See, same technique we're going to use. You have already seen how to cut that beetroot flower. So repeatedly, I will not show you. So I'm going to fix it, beetroot flower and that. Let us fix it with the help of toothpick. We will pass one toothpick through it, and extra portion we will cut off with the help of pliers. So I'm cutting it off from both the ends. We have to cut. And now I will show you how to insert the eye pin in that. Eye pin is a straight wire. It's a little bit hard wire with a loop on the top. It is called as eye pin, and that's the hook. The eye pin and hook in my hand. That straight portion is a eye pin. Now I will insert that eye pin through the potato from the top side. And can you see that I have inserted? And I will take the hook and I will insert it in the loop now. Eye pin loop. This is the hook. We can open either the end of the hook or the loop. So eye pin is comfortable to open. So see, I will show you the close-up as much as I can show. And now this I will insert in the end of the hook.